With around 97% of all businesses in New Zealand categorised as SMEs, small to medium enterprises, small is big. SMEs employ a third of our workers and contribute over a quarter of our GDP. So we applaud them in the role they play as the country emerges from the COVID-19 straitjacket. The annual MYOB SME survey shows owners are cautiously optimistic about the economic outlook. The focus is now firmly on growth, not survival, but the good news stories have largely gone unheard. SMEs are seeking capital to expand, to recruit and to invest back into their businesses, fueled by low interest rates and heartened by Kiwis' demonstrated support for local operators. All signs point to double-digit growth in the SME business sector and in the financial year ahead. The expectation of further retrenchment in the corporate sector, the announced wage freeze for public servants, and the return of expats all bode well for SMEs. Entrepreneurs are opportunity hunting. Those with redundancy payouts want ownership of their working futures, and successful SMEs are on the acquisition trail. People are increasingly looking to buy themselves a job, to take charge of their lives rather than be at the whim of an employer. All work and no play never ends well, and for many, it's taken a global pandemic to reinforce that. Bayleys Business Sales team is also fielding inquiry from investors wanting alternatives to residential property as a wealth creation avenue. Residential landlords have been targeted by the government, with compliance thresholds raised and tax deductibility rules changed. We're hearing it's all too hard. Some of this money will be diverted into business ownership and investment. As unlike the residential property sector, the majority of costs are tax deductible, and it's not just occurring in the main centres. Previously untapped regional New Zealand's firmly on the business investment radar. Certain subsets of the SME sector are thriving. Think food manufacturing, food distribution, IT and digital services, healthcare and medical aligned services, and the broader wellness market. It's been business as usual for them. Further, the global pandemic has spurred many business owners to get their digital and e-commerce ducks in a row. With an online presence no longer optional for 21st century businesses, it was always going to happen, but it's been fast-tracked out of necessity to remain relevant, accessible and profitable. Remember, your business is our business. Contact the Bayleys Business Sales team today if you're in the market to sell or invest in a business.